Have you been searching for the perfect family vehicle with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2022 Kia Carnival LX in Pantera metal. With HID headlamps, electronic stability control, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 50,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, split folding rear seats, third row seating, 3.5-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number D6896.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.